building that we're about to visit today is a unit in Glenorchy. There are 3 units in this project. Each one is a 3-bedroom home with 2 stories. One of the relevant NCC criteria is Part B1, Structural Provisions. There are a range of performance requirements of medium-rise buildings in regards to structural provisions. There are BP 1.1 to BP 1.4, namely structural reliability, structural resistance, glass installations at risk of human impact, and buildings in flood areas. Relevant deemed to satisfy provisions include B1.1 resistance to actions, B1.2 determination of individual actions, B1.4 determination of structural resistance of materials and forms of construction, where you can find the NCC website Volume 1. Other relevant NCC criteria include fire resistance, Section D, access and egress, Section F, health and amenity, Part D1, firefighting equipment.